Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this makeup look. This is a Kareena Kapoor look and so many of you guys requested me to do a Kareena Kapoor inspired makeup look with Kohl eyes and nude lips and peachy makeup, and here I am with it. Also, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon. So now let's get started with the tutorial. Of late, I have been loving this Colorbar Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. All the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box. This one is a hydrating primer. So I just take 2-3 drops and then massage it all over my face. I cannot stop using this Forever 52 Spotless Glow Stick Foundation. I just love how beautifully it blends into the skin and how natural it looks. Next, I'm going to use my favorite concealer. This one is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And now I'm going to blend it and I'm using my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. You guys will easily know which ones are my favorite products because I keep using them in my videos. Next, taking this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, I'm just going to apply it under my eyes just to highlight that area a little bit. And I'm just going to apply 3 dots. And this is in the shade Beige. I'm just going to take the sponge over my eyelids because I want a clean eyelid to work on today. Now to set my under eye area, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Powder. This is in the shade Banana Yellow. I'm so glad that so many of you are loving my new background. So with the previous background, I used to sit on my bed and the movement became very limited. And so by the end of the video, I actually could not move for a few minutes. This one is so much more comfortable. So the base is done and I'm super happy with the base. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm going to take this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is in the shade Felix Onyx. I'm going to take this I Heart Revolution Rose Gold palette. I'm going to take this shade. This one is a dark brown shade and I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes. I'm going to take the same color and apply it on my lower lash line. Now taking this I Heart Revolution, now that's what I call makeup palette, I am going to take this brown shade. This one is a little bit more darker than the previous one. The previous brush I used for my crease is from Nykaa and that was the E006 brush. This one is also from Nykaa. This is the E007 brush. I want a more precise application, so I'm just going over the crease line. I'm doing the same to the other eye. What this does is it makes your eyes look a little bit more hollow and adds more depth to the crease area. So taking this PAC Express Brush Cleaner, I'm going to clean this brush because I'm going to need it again right now. Look, it really cleans the brushes. Taking the Rosegold palette again, I'm going to use this shade. This one is a very pretty peach and I'll just apply it all over my eyelids. I'm going to blend this area a little bit more. Kareena's look is all about the Kajal. So the Kajal I'm going to use is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And I'm first going to tight line my eyes and then apply it on my upper lash line and my lower lash line. So this is how I tight line my eyes. I know it looks painful, but trust me, it's not. So her Kajal is always very, very thick. Now I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. So on the lower lash line, she has a thin line towards the inner corners and then it slowly becomes thicker. Oh my god, the Kajal made such a big difference. So now, since I have the Kajal on both of my eyes, now we are going to smudge the Kajal so that it doesn't look this harsh. So taking this E008 Nykaa brush, this is a pencil brush. I'm just going to smudge the edges of the Kajal. Just work on your eyes very, very gently. It might take a long time, but don't just rush. Be very, very gentle on your eyes. Also the lower lash line. It does look a little less harsher. Now going back to I Heart Revolution, now that's what I call makeup palette. I'm going to use this dark brown shade. I'm going to use the same pencil brush. And I'm just going to apply it on the edges of the kajal. Also on the upper lash line. So that the edges soften down a bit and gives us that beautiful smoky effect. Look how beautiful and smoky it looks. I'm just going to go over and tight line my eyes a little bit more because with all that smudging and all, I can see it does not have that much intensity. I'm going to use this Rimmel London 100% waterproof mascara. I hate the stickers on any product. I just hate it. Also going to apply it on my lower lashes. I just applied false lashes and these are the Nykaa Real Deal lashes. These are for natural length and natural volume. The eye makeup looks pretty good. For my contour, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution London Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. And I'm going to use this one to contour my face. The brush I'm using is from Mascara. This is the F003 brush. Kareena has really sculpted cheeks, so I'm going to contour really well. My jawline. Just a little bit on my forehead. For the blush, I'm going to use this Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Rosy Peach. And this is a very, very pretty blush. A little bit more. The brush I used for applying the blush is from Mascara. This is the F002 brush. She's got a very natural highlight going on. I'm not going to take any intense highlighter. I'm just going to take a highlighter which looks really natural. And I love this Makeup Revolution one, the one that comes in this palette. And I'm going to take this one. This is the highlight shade. The highlighter brush I use is this one. This is from Mascara. This is the F004 brush. I'm just going to apply it on all the high points of my face. And just a very tiny amount on my forehead. And that is it. I'm going to remove it because this is not the shade she's wearing. I'm not getting the color. Oh, what is she wearing? What is she wearing? I just tried so many lipsticks and I just can't find the right shade. I'm just gonna wash it and I'm gonna come back. All clean, feels so good. So I'm gonna start over with the lipstick, and before that I'm just gonna apply something on my hand because my hand feels really dry. Oh my god guys, this smells so good. In case you're wondering what I'm applying, this is the Mamaearth Cocoa Yogurt. Guys, if you already have it or if you're planning to buy it, then let me warn you that do not eat this because this smells and looks like yogurt and you almost feel like eating it. One that I'm using is the cocoa yogurt, and this one has got all natural ingredients like cocoa, glycerin and coffee. Now this absorbs super quickly and is long lasting and is suitable for all skin types. This one protects against UV damage and it maintains your skin's health. And this one is also free of any parabens, mineral oils and silicones. So there's another variant of this, and this one is the Mamaearth Upton Body Yogurt. This one has turmeric, saffron and glycerin. This one is as good as the cocoa one, but since this one has turmeric in it, it will have therapeutic effect on your skin. You guys know all the products of Mamaearth, they are cruelty free and they are PETA certified. Plus they are plastic positive, that means they recycle more plastic than they use. One thing that I really love about Mamaearth is that they're chemical free and they're all natural. I have a coupon code for you guys which I'll share at the end of the video, so stick till the end. The lipstick is from Sugar and this is in the shade Gabriella. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit from my foundation to make the shade a little lighter. Oh my god, it works really well. Okay, so guys, this is the finished makeup look. I'm super happy with the look and I love how it turned out. About the Mamaearth body yogurts, guys, those are available on mamaearth.in, Amazon and Nykaa. And the coupon code that you can use to get 20% off is SUSH2020. However, please keep in mind that this coupon code is only valid on mamaearth.in. I'll mention the coupon code and the links in the description box so you can check it there. I hope you liked it too, and if you liked it, then show me some love by clicking on the like button. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and do comment down below. You know how much I love reading your comments. And also subscribe to my channel. We're very close to 100k. And if you have any requests, just pour it down below and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. এখনই আবার সাদা হয়ে গেল হে ভগবান I so hate it कौन है ये जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा Who is he?